Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be looking around Home Goods because I was bored at the house and I wanted to get out. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go film a video at Home Goods, and here we are. I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty for my garden. Oh, I'm loving that. I wonder what the price is. So this is $100 and that one up there is $60. Have a lot of lanterns and also pots. Ooh, this is really pretty. Let's see the price. Unfortunately, this does not have a price, so I have no idea how much it is. But we'll keep looking. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. 89 each. Ooh, I love them. Oh, the pumpkins are here now. Oh my goodness, I'm excited, you guys. Halloween is one of my favorite times to decorate. And this year, I plan on doing the same, decorating my dining room. I like these bowls, but they only have 3 of them. I'm gonna see if I can find 3 more, and I'll definitely take them with me if I do. I don't see more. Should I take them 3? I don't know. I'm gonna think about it, but oh, they're so pretty. This is pretty cool. Look at this. $7.99. I love it. And this is a boat. Who else is into gems or stones? Let me know in the comments down below. I am, you guys. I love stones. Over here they have more. Oh my goodness. Is this, oh my god, $12.99 for this beauty. I think I'm gonna have to take it. This is a great deal. I wanted a set of plates. Kind of like this. The ones that are plastic, or I think they're called melanin. I think I'm saying it wrong. But anyways, I wanted this set and I couldn't find it anywhere. And look, here it is now. But I don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna have to pass, but it's really pretty. And the price for this set is $19.99. Look how gorgeous it is. Wow. I can't believe it's only $12. Wow, this is gorgeous. And it's only $19.99. Wow, these chairs are gorgeous. Each, I believe they're $2.50 each. They're kind of pricey, but the quality is so nice. They also have this style. I think I prefer the other one. Yeah, no, definitely this one. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you like best? These are candlesticks. They're pretty interesting because they kind of look like a table. And the price for them are $50. They also have them in gold. Oh, those glasses are so cute. I think I'm going to take them. The price for them is only $12. Oh, these rings are cool too. They're $20. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Forks for dessert. I have a few at home, but I want something that is just plain so that the kids can use when I give them maybe cake or ice cream. So I'm gonna look for some spoons too. Wow, I'm loving these chairs. They're so pretty. I would use them on probably like on a patio dining set, and they're only $130. Wow, so pretty. And over here they have more stones. $100 for that. So gorgeous. I think to find a really good gem, you have to come in the morning when they first open, because I think they have more stuff, you know? So I'm ready to go, and I think I'm not gonna take anything. I didn't find something that I really love besides this bowls, but they don't have more. They only have 3, so I'm gonna have to pass on them. If I do see them next time, I'll definitely grab them. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down on the comments down below if you saw anything that you like. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.